Northrop Grumman has been awarded a contract amounting to $185,700,000 for the A-10 Structural Integrity Program Legacy 7. This contract provides for sustaining engineering services for the A-10s. The implementation of this contract is expected to be completed by the 22nd of November 2030. The Fairchild Republic A-10 Thunderbolt II is commonly referred to by the nicknames Warthog or Hog, although the A-10's official name comes from the Republic B-47 Thunderbolt, a World War II fighter bomber effective at attacking ground targets. The A-10 was designed for close air support. It entered service in 1976 and is the only production-built aircraft that has served in the USAF that was designed only for close air support. The US Air Force had stated the F-35 would replace the A-10 as it entered service, but this remains highly contentious within the USAF and political circles. With a variety of upgrades and wing replacements, the A-10's service life can be extended to 2040. The Air Force has no planned retirement date yet.